Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be talking about a few things that you might have missed from last week. And one of the cool products that I'll get into a little bit more is the iPhone 15 series glass only. I'm a huge advocate of refurbishing. If you haven't really got into that, a good portion of the time that you're working on a screen, the only thing that is damaged is the glass. And being able to have the ability to remove the glass and replace only the glass is a big game changer for a lot of people. Not only does it help you eliminate notifications, not have to deal with true tone transfer, things like that, but it also can save you money on the back end if you know how to do it. It is quite the investment up front for all of the tools and machines and the education, because the training behind that, there's a steep learning curve. However, once perfected, it's a highly valuable skill to have. Now let's talk a little bit more about the things that you might have missed last week. So something that I highly recommend you looking into is the 2-in-1 front glass for the iPhone 15 series. I'm a huge advocate of refurbishing. I think that it's well worth the investment of time and resources into learning how to do it. And as you can see, we have the 2-in-1s for each one of the series. And if you're not sure about what 2-in-1 is, that basically means that you have the glass and the OCA, the optical clear adhesive, pre-installed, ready to go. And then also you've got the bezel that will go on after. And the iPhone 15 series is one of the easier screens to refurbish, but you really have to have mastered all of the previous models before getting into it. Something else that you might have missed from last week was the Google Pixel parts for the Pixel 8 series, for the Pixel 7a series, and then of course there's the I2C flex cables. Now these cables really help when it comes to replacing those components that have to deal with special features and or notifications for Face ID, for the cameras. So those cables, check them out, learn to use them. Leave comments below if you'd like specific videos on specific cables if you're struggling. I'll see what I can do. So that covers a few of the things that you might have missed from last week. If you haven't already, like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss out on our daily videos. Got a bunch of fun things planned for this week. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.